Hi everyone, this is Pita Salam from Base Media, and in this video I want to talk about better image quality or better design versus better good performance. The pursuit of better quality and better performance are inversely proportional. What I mean is better image quality means poor speed, slow speed, or poor performance. Yeah, for example, let's say there is an image size per image is about 1 MB, and if I have to put about 5 images in a page or in the home page, that means 5 MB along with other files. It's about 8 MB. 8 MB size per image means it will take about 9 to 10 seconds to load it. The viewer or the visitor in your website has to wait about 10 seconds to load your website. That's not what we want. What we want is instantly loaded website. For that, we have to do something. How can we have both better quality image and better performance? That's the solution I want to talk about. That solution is WebP image format. WebP image format is one of the modern and widely used image format. It has smaller file size in comparison to PNG and JPEG, and without losing the quality, meaning it has better or higher comparison technology. You can convert your JPEG or PNG file to WebP image format in any of the websites available. You can search in Google JPEG to WebP or PNG to WebP, and you can here I am using this website webp-converter.com, and let's convert this image. I have downloaded this image from unisplash.com, and let's convert this. It has the size about 4.6 MB, and it is uploading, and it may take a while. Okay, and you can convert. Save. Okay, and now let's go to media, add new, and let's try to upload this file. It is uploading. Yeah, sorry, this file type is not permitted for security reasons. By default, WordPress does not allow us to upload this file format, WebP file format. So we have to do something, and for that I have prepared a PHP code here. You can download this code snippet in the description below. I'll provide you the link to download it. After you download it, you open it, select it, and copy that, and go to your appearance theme editor. functions.php or theme functions. Scroll down at the bottom. Here you can paste the code snippet, update file. Okay, now let's go back to media, add new, and let's try to upload again. Good. Now it has been uploaded here in the library. Here it is. File size is about 2 MB. It has the file size of file size has been reduced about 50%. Previously it was 4.6 MB in JPEG format, but in WebP format it has been reduced to 2 MB. You can further reduce the image size by reducing the image size. Size means the files, not the file size, but the size of the image, width and length and breadth of the image. For example, this is about 4K image size. You can reduce this image size to about full HD, means 1920 into 1080, like that. And this is what I want to show you. Two things. First, how to convert your JPEG or PNG file format to WebP image format, and how to upload and use in the WebP image file format in your WordPress installation or WordPress website. For that, you need to add this code snippet in your theme functions file. And if you have any questions or doubt about this, you can leave a comment below. Don't hesitate to ask questions, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any video requests about WordPress or Elementor, you can leave a comment too or email me. Thanks for watching.